Hello, my name is Kay Yasugi and I'm from Pupperoos, and I'm going to demonstrate this cat puppet that I've made for a school production. It's going to be operated by children in grade 1, so very young children. So it's been made to be very light. So it is designed for 2 people to hold, 1 person on these 2 rods here, and you can pivot this rod, and the other rod you can move up and down like that, and the other person can operate the tail like that. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate some movements. Okay, so I'll explain how this puppet was made. The inside of the puppet is cane, so there's a cane head and 2 balls of cane for the body that's connected with foam. There is a curtain wire running through the body into the tail with a little screw eye at the end of the tail. And this rod here is connected with a jewelry clasp, so this is actually detachable. This rod has been made with a bicycle spoke, so there's a hole at the very end of the rod that makes stringing much easier. And all the rods have been covered with anti-slip mat that I got from Clark Rubber, especially because they're going to be very young children operating. And the head is connected to this rod, and it's just been cable tied in, so it's been thread through this inner cane ball, and then it's just sitting on top and it's cable tied in 2 places. The whole thing has been covered with faux fur, and it's also been shaved a little bit and cut using animal clippers. The ears, that's just Louis. The ears have flute or plastic inside. To explain more of the facial features, these are craft eyes that have been ratcheted in from the back, and I sculpted this nose with some foil and masking tape and then covered it with nylon fleece. This fleece is usually used for Muppets, so it's just, yeah, it's got a nice little shine to it. And you can see here I've used just a little bit of blush, just makeup blush. It's actually the same blush that I'm wearing now, for the inside of the ears. So this is how it works. And I've nicknamed the cat Pebbles because I've put pebbles inside the feet, just at the bottom, to weight the puppet. And these are 4 separate little ovals, like almost like little cushions that are suspended with elastic that's been thread through the cane. So there's Pebbles here. I'll demonstrate one more time how Pebbles moves. So it's going to be operated on a play board, so the children will be underneath, which is why it's been designed this way. Thank you.